Sankranti Pandaga, there's a lot of very highs for the family and some few lows also, which all of you have known. There was passing of Ramesh Babu Garu was one of the many hurdles that we had to overcome in the last 2 years. But we decided that as entertainers, the show must go on. It's Sankranti. There are people that need to be entertained, and that is our job, is to entertain people. So we decided to go ahead with the movie with all the motivation and encouragement from the entire cast and crew and the entire family. We decided to go ahead. We couldn't have asked for a better launch for Ashok, for him to launch on Sankranti Pandaga, which is so dear to his grandfather and to his family, was a very special moment for him and for all of us. And in spite of all the difficulties over the last 2 years, I think we're very happy with the result. We're very happy with the response. There's been unanimous praise for both Ashok, the entire cast and crew, and for the film itself, and we're very happy with that. As far as the run is concerned, the days ahead will tell, but we're very confident and very grateful. Thank you very much.
Nice of you all to be here for a thank you event. 2 days ka నాకు రిపోర్ట్స్ వస్తానే ఉన్నాయి. బాబు చాలా బాగా యాక్ట్ చేశారు. ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మూవీ. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ బిగ్ స్టార్ కాస్ట్. పబ్లిసిటీకి టైం లేకుండా చాలా హరియప్ చేసి పోస్టర్స్ కూడా జస్ట్ అశోక్ అండ్ నిధి ఉంటాయి ఎక్కువ. బట్ వీ హ్యావ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బిగ్ స్టార్ కాస్ట్. ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు షో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్, అండ్ సో దట్ families also will have an idea that it's not only about youth, it's for the family audience also. It's a thrilling comedy which keeps people laughing in the first half and second half. నాకు రిపోర్ట్స్ అందరూ చెప్తా ఉన్నారు that thoroughly they enjoyed the movie, and it's a great commercial entertainer. కాబట్టి చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది that this movie has been received well and liked by one and all. So unanimously చాలా బాగుంది అనేసి చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. So I'm hoping that in the coming days also it will pick up well, and it will be a good entertaining subject for people. Andi tarvata I've been talking like this in 2-3 events. So ippudu if you people ask questions, I would like to answer them. With that I will take leave. Thank you.